Want to know how to enable auto backup in Google One? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Google One application and you should be under this interface right here. Now, enabling or disabling auto backup is super simple. So you should be under the backup section. So once you're under the home interface on Google One, here should be saying backup where you can set it up. So you can just simply select setup and it should show your phone and if it's enabled or disabled. So if it's disabled, it should show something like this right here. And in order to enable it, you can just simply select that. And here you should be saying backup photos and videos, and you can just simply select enable. Now you can just simply choose your account, and then it should automatically start backing up your photos which is on your device. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.